Today is a special day. We are going to bake a delicious treat. Add the ingredients. Flour, sugar, egg, milk, butter. Mix all the ingredients with the spoon. Choose a baking pan. Put in the cake batter. Put in the cake. Now you can decorate your cake. Blue icing. Add your favorite toppings. Umbrella. Sparklers. 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 Vanilla cookies. Chocolate cookies. Add your favorite toppings. Cowie, Elliot, Ricky, Lisa, Bobby. Chocolate cookie, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles. Candies, banana, strawberry, cookie. Add your favorite toppings.
Help Cowie collect the gadgets.
Tap to start.
Let's find speakers.
Speaker.
Jump over the obstacles.
Speaker. Yippee.
Oops, we don't want that.
Yippee. Speaker. Speaker.
Watch out for the goo.
Ooh.
Uh-oh, Cowie ran out of paint.
Speaker.
Jump over the obstacles.
Yippee.
Uh-oh, Cowie ran out of paint.
Speaker.
Watch out for the goo. Let's find chargers. Don't fall in the gap.
Charger.
Jump over the obstacles.
Yippee.
Jump over the obstacles.
Charger.
Watch out for the gap.
Charger.
jump over the gap.
Oops, we don't want that.
Yay! Charger! Yippee! Charger! Yippee! Charger!
Let's find mice.
Mouse!
Look out for the wheels.
Ooh! Yay! Mouse!
Get out of the goo.
Yay! Mouse! Yippee! Ooh!
Uh-oh, Cowie ran out of paint.
Yay! Mouse!
Uh-oh, Cowie ran out of paint.
Mouse!
Let's find keys.
Yay! Keys! Yay! Keys!
Get out of the goo. Use the post to cross the gap.
Yippee!
Uh-oh, goo. Uh-oh, Cowie ran out of paint.
Ooh!
Get out of the goo.
We're on a photography expedition. Let's take pictures of the animals. What animals can you find? You've taken a picture of a moose. Tap the screen. Take a look at your photo album. You've taken a picture of a walrus. Take a look at your photo album. You've taken a picture of a snowy owl. You've taken a picture of an Arctic wolf. Take a look at your photo album. You've taken a picture of a reindeer. You've taken pictures of all the animals. Let's see them in your photo album. A moose. A reindeer. A walrus. A snowy owl. An Arctic wolf.
Let's build a robot. Body. Pick the body parts. Head. Head. Arm. Arm. Leg. Leg. Color the body. Blue. Time to energize. Head. Time to energize. Arms. Legs. Come on, you make the robot dance. And Billy love it! Congratulations!
Select your favorite character. Elliot. Welcome to the big race. Answer the questions correctly to win.
3, 2, 1, go!
What time is it? 2:30. Incredible! Ooh, the race is very close. What time is it? 6 o'clock. Well done. You're in first place. Select the correct time. 12 o'clock. Amazing. What time is it? 1 o'clock. Well done. And the winner is Elliot. What a race! Congratulations to all the participants. See you soon.
Hey, where are you going? Oh, you're going to play dress up. How fun! Let's choose clothes for Elliot. Pants. Hat. Boots. Hat. Yeah! That's quite a cowboy.
Elliot is sleepwalking. Get him to bed without waking him up. Congratulations, you did it! One more time. Bridge. Elliot is in the bed. Good job. One more time. Bridge. Big triangle.
We're playing in the factory today. Let's have fun together in the factory.
We need to catch 3 cones. Tap left to move left. One cone. Two cones. 3 cones.
Good job, Lisa.
We need to catch 5 cubes. One cube. 2 cubes. 3 cubes. 4 cubes. 5 cubes.
I loved playing with you, Callie. This was so much fun, Lisa.